In this video, I will show how to change Excel cell size. So, if you want to select entire row height, you need to change. So, click here and in the format, here you will find option row height. You can enter your required number, then click on OK. Similarly, you can select particular rows or row height and click on OK. You can change the width, height or size. Select it, format, and here column width, like this, and you can change from by selecting here. So you can see the number, and here if you need some particular row change, so column width and row height. So these all options you can try. Thanks for watching.